Hello, I'm Stephen Farrance. I am an intuitive psychic medium, and I have co-created with Archangel Metatron through channelings from Archangel Metatron an Ascension workshop. Within this workshop, we are going to be doing a lot of cleansing, and we are going to be defining the Ascension process and explaining exactly what the Ascension process is. I'm going to be introducing you to something called the white flame of source, which I've been told it was used by the Lemurians. And then I'm going to show you how to work and use with the white flame of source. Then we're going to be going on a journey to the soul, then the spirit, and then the higher self to unify these three parts of ourselves. Because when we're in total alignment with ourself, we are in alignment with our soul, our personal truth, and the universe. Then we're going to go through each individual 12 Ascension chakras to fully cleanse, clean, clear, purify, bring healing energy into each one, and then receive our own unique Ascension upgrade. And then we're going to be working with the entire chakra system to cleanse, activate, and balance the chakra system, activate the Merkaba. And once we've done that and we've prepared ourselves, we're going to be going into the next stage, which is accessing light portals and bringing in new light codes. We're going to also be going on a journey to visit a previous lifetime to bring back any information that we need from past lifetime masteries. There is then a full attunement to the Christ consciousness and the Mary Magdalene energy. And I'm going to be explaining to you why this is so important. And then we're going to be talking about our divine blueprint. And then we're going to be cleansing the divine blueprint, meeting Gaia, Lady Gaia, who is Mother Earth, to activate the contract that we signed when we first came here, which also helps us with receiving positive abundance. And working with the divine blueprint can bring so many personal blessings. You're going to be receiving Ascension flames and visiting temples of learning with Archangel Metatron to receive more Ascension updates and new codes. And to prepare yourself for the next stage of your own personal Ascension process, we are going to be doing a nice light activation and meditation with Archangel Metatron to bringing any information, keys or codes that we need to further our progress. And then I'm going to be showing you how to work daily with Ascension upgrades, because I know a lot of people are getting a lot of headaches and feeling very worn out and tired. So I'm going to be showing you a nice daily exercise to help you work with the new Ascension energies that are coming in, and to help better yourself. So if you're ready to either start your Ascension journey, or you would like a little bit more light on the Ascension journey and what this really means, then come and join Archangel Metatron and myself, because we're ready, willing and able to work with you. And we look forward to working with you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.